For most of us, food is a central part of our lives. We eat when we're happy. We eat when we're sad. Indeed, food has a big impact on our mood and an even bigger one on our health. In Switzerland, a third of health spending, 20 billion Swiss francs per year, is caused by inappropriate diets. And since growing food, transporting food, and growing or transporting food that feeds food obviously take their toll on the planet's resources and rising temperatures, food also has a big impact on the health of our planet. A research program by the Swiss National Science Foundation has established that our food system would be both healthier and more sustainable if we followed the guidelines of the Swiss Food Pyramid, which clearly shows that things such as saturated fats or red meat shouldn't take priority in our diets over vegetables, water, and other elements closer to the base of the pyramid. Another example of a positive change would be what scientists call feed no food. In order to feed ourselves, one of the things we produce is meat. Those animals are often fed with grain, and that grain could be used directly for human consumption. We should change animals' diets to what they would normally eat in nature, like grass, which would be both healthier and more sustainable. All in all, several scenarios have been elaborated by some of our brightest minds to improve sustainability in our food system. They all involve changing our food consumption habits, which would do wonders. But changing habits is, indeed, a difficult process. Our food system is a complex mechanism with many components. These components are all intertwined and affected by each other, even more so in a globalized economy. For instance, if Swiss producers generated more organic food, this would certainly be beneficial for the environment in Switzerland. But environmental and social impacts would increase abroad due to higher amounts of imports. Everything is connected, and to find a sustainable balance that fits everyone, we need to develop a joint strategy for the future. Designing the future of our food together. Learn more about all the ways we can improve our food system on healthyandsustainable.ch. And bon appétit!